Women of all ages and all professions, from politics to technology to fashion and to media, are making their mark. And it's interesting to see that among the top leaders, both in Australia and elsewhere, are women of a mature age. Hi, it's Sue with your FAQ, and the question this week is, well, how do I make my mark even though I am a woman of a certain age? There are so many women who lead the way for us, as you can see on the lists of the most powerful and the most influential, from well-known media identities to lesser-known heads of companies. And there's also a huge following of influencers on social media of women who are of a mature age. So what can we learn about these leading women, about their presence and about their impact and about their brand? Well, I have 8 tips for you. The first tip for you is to stay sharp. Now, you don't get to the top of any tree without constant learning, constant application, and constant curiosity. Now, Oprah Winfrey is probably the most well-known on any lists, and she is still relevant today. She's a leading businesswoman, a leading media identity, and she has stayed relevant because she's kept abreast of technology and, of course, the media, which is the industry that she's involved in. Look good. Looking good might just mean putting the best version of you forward. A great haircut to suit your age and your face shape, well-fitting, flattering clothes that suit your lifestyle and your personality. Leading women always present a polished appearance because that's important to them, and they want to look like the leaders that they are. USP. Do you have a niche or a specialty that you can carve out and become well known for? Now, Ita Buttrose, another leading media identity, well known in Australia as chairman of ABC, still making media appearances, still appearing on television, and she's 80 years of age. Healthy and happy. Now, this might be a matter of luck in a lot of cases, but we are living a lot longer and we are generally working a lot longer as well. So it does pay to live a healthy lifestyle through good nutrition and exercise. Now, one of the leading pioneers of yoga here in Australia was a lady called Roma Blair, and she had her own television show way back in the 1960s, and she was still practicing yoga daily up until her death at the age of 90. Leave a legacy. Now, giving back to society and philanthropy, whether large or small, is something that's embraced by a lot of people. And there's also a growing movement amongst women who are supporting younger generations, supporting startups and other investors. So give back to society. Speak up. Leading women who succeed in their career have the confidence to speak on the platform, whether that's on the stage, whether that's putting their opinion across in a boardroom, or making a pitch at an investor meeting. You do need to have that confidence to be a confident communicator, whether that's online or offline. So be seen and be heard. Mentor, encourage and help others. Now, I've had some amazing mentors throughout my career, both men and women, and if I can share my knowledge and encourage others just through what I've learned over those years, that will make me happy. So I do hope those few tips help you. I do have more tips on how to shine as a leading woman at any age on my blog this week at suecurrie.com.au.